guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get the flare melon seed, as well as the Glowpod. So where you need those seeds is actually you need to level up your friendship with the giant here. I'm still on friendship level 2. You're just going to give it some foods. Select the what are you selling here. And if you go to the friendship tab, if you're on main, go to the friendship tab, and here you'll be you'll be able to purchase the Skyroot chests, and you'll also be able to purchase the Glowpod and flare melon seeds. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.